You are smart. You know it. People around you know it. You can see what needs to be done. You understand things faster than most. So why are you going nowhere? Not a question, a statement. Because you already know the answer is somewhere inside you. And that is what makes it worse. You are not failing because you lack ability. You are failing because ability without action is just potential. And potential does not build anything. If this is you, stay. Because smart people have a specific type of stuck, and it needs a specific type of fix. There was a guy, 21 years old. Call him Nathan. Everyone called him the smart one. Teachers, family, friends. Nathan could explain any concept, debate any topic, see the flaws in any plan before it started. He was genuinely gifted, but at 21, he had started nothing, built nothing. His ideas stayed in his head. His plans stayed in notebooks. Every time he was about to act, his brain would find a reason it was not ready yet. More research needed, better timing, not quite right. His less intelligent friends were building things, imperfect things, but real things. And Nathan was still thinking. Here is the pattern nobody talks about. Smart people overthink because thinking feels like progress. Analysis feels like work. Planning feels like action. But your brain is lying to you. Thinking about doing something and doing it activate different parts of your brain. One builds confidence. One destroys it. Smart people also fear failure more than average. Because failure threatens the identity. If you are the smart one, what does failing make you? So you stay safe inside your head where the idea is still perfect and the failure has not happened yet. Step 1. Set a stupidity deadline. Pick something you have been overthinking and give yourself 48 hours to do the dumbest possible version of it. Step 2. Separate your identity from your output. You are not your results. Smart people who fail are still smart. Failing does not change what you are. Step 3. Find someone less qualified doing the thing you want to do. Study how they started. They did not wait to be ready. Neither should you. Nathan shipped something imperfect. It went nowhere. He shipped again. Slowly, things started moving. His intelligence finally had somewhere to go. Comment stuck if this is you.